Alright, here we are at my teammate and my buddy Arnas' house. Where we at, bud?
We're at Rimjune village. Yeah, that is
Rimjune
what it's
village.
called.
Yeah, so we're in Lithuania right now. Gonna try and catch some pike, maybe some carp. We'll see what we get into. So how you feeling? You ready?
Feeling good? Let's get some.
Let's get into it. Here's where we're fishing. Pond here in Arnas' backyard. Here's okay. He's our mascot for the day. They have teeth or no? Nice, dude. Oh, I'm hooked up. Good one. Nice. All right, I'm gonna start off by chucking this right now. See what we can get into. Okay, what's up, man? What's up?
What thing mostly yesterday pissed you off?
Yesterday?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Curious cat. Oh, was that? Did your
Yeah, I think.
Oh, okay. That cat is funny, man. Here we go. Catch us a fish. Arnie money. Boom. Yeah, bro.
But I need to...
Tighten your drag on the bottom. Oh. You're hooked up though, yeah? Nice, dude.
That's not the...
Right when we were talking about go switch systems.
Maybe it is here.
What's that?
Oh, there it is.
You know what it is?
I don't know, but it could be a good fish.
I hope so. I'll go net it for you.
Oh. Oh, look how...
Nice, dude. Finally.
Quite good.
What is that?
It's I showed you. It's that Greece carp, something like this.
Oh, a Crucian carp or whatever.
Karosas in Lithuanian. Karosa.
They have teeth or no?
No. Yeah.
You grab them here.
Yeah, you can put it in the yard. It'll be easy. Alright. I'll take this stuff.
Yeah, at least we caught a fish finally. Nice, bro.
Yeah.
Hold him up.
Oh, a long time didn't.
Ready? For Instagram. Lithuanian fisherman, Arnas the man.
Got the Karosas.
There you go. In the pond, baby. Try to get some more.
I'm gonna put it.
Alright, cool. Lithuanian fisherman, Arnas the man. Heads up, careful.
Got the Karosas.
There you go. Nice, dude. In the pond, baby. Try to get some more. So I've been casting and retrieving for pike with swim baits and crankbaits. Hadn't been really working. So I'm switching over to a feeder system. Arnas is over here rigging it up. We
That's ready.
got the corn on the hook there, and then the feed in the feeder. And that's what you just caught the last fish on, right?
Yeah, I caught in some different feeder system. It got like 3 hooks, so I put on every one corn. I put here some
feed.
Yeah, some feed. That's it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's catch another one.
Yeah.
Here we go. We're set up. We got the feeder here. We got the feeder there. We got the Lithuanian snackage down here.
Some tea.
With some tea. Good to go. Maybe throw a few casts for pike with this guy. We'll see how it goes. Oh, you got a fish on? Yeah, boy. Let's get it. Yeah, boy. I just burned myself on that tee, but let's get it. That looks like a nice one.
But it could switch the line.
Oh, you want me to reel mine in?
I don't know. Watch, it's on the other side already.
I don't know how this works. I'm just gonna put it back here. Don't fall. Don't fall.
See? So
Yeah.
on the other side, maybe it's the line.
Get crossed. They look fine though.
Yeah.
Let's go, boy. You hooked up again, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good run. Good run, Arnas. Foul hooked maybe? Nice. Nice, dude.
Again, the same fish?
Oh, I'm hooked up. Yeah, I think he's on. Doesn't feel like much.
Let's get some tea.
Okay, yeah, he's there. Might need the net, bro. Yeah. It's okay. I'll land him. There we go. Double hookup. All we needed was a little feeder system.
Yeah, that's it.
What is this, bro?
This is called Linas in Lithuania.
Linas.
Yeah, I don't know how it's called but it's quite strong fish. And it's already grown up. It was.
Yeah?
There's a lot of this fish. I put it down. And it was.
Put it down?
Yeah. It was like this.
Yeah?
So it grown a little bit nice. Oh, I didn't take the hook.
Nice, bro.
So, okay, so which one is yours?
The little one.
Linas and mine is Carosas.
Linas and Carosas, fam. Let's get it. Nice, bro. Should we put him in the thingy?
Yeah, of course. This fish which you got,
Yeah?
it was like stronger like a few years ago.
Really?
Like I cast it for 2 or 3 minutes. And I cast a lot with bobber systems.
Uh-huh.
But it's nice with feeder also.
Yeah, I'm casting back out with my feeder. Not too long? It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Do we get some coffee, some tea break or not?
I hope not. I hope we try and drink tea and then we have to catch fish again. Put it on the money. Put it on the money, Arnie. Money cast, money cast.
Not on the ducks. Ow.
Mascot's back. Merca. What's up, bud? Let's go. I had the wrong camera going on that one. Ugh. Let's go, man.
Look.
2 of them. Double doozy.
Nice.
Double doozy. Nice, bro.
See, 2 hooks can come on the one fish and another hook on that fish. So this one is called rode.
Rode.
They never have seen that big of this type
Really?
of fish. Yeah.
Dude, you're killing it right now. You're catching everything.
Crazy. I have 3 hooks. That's more hooks, that's more fishes.
More hooks, more fish. Nice.
Like for carps especially.
They put it on the fish?
Yeah, to heal up the mouth.
Oh, I'm about to drop this one. I gotta get him in there. Nice. Nice, dude. Good work. Catch me a fish, cat. Catch me a fish. Arnas is out fishing me. Catch me a fish, cat.
You saw that catch that red fish? Or it's a bit red?
Yeah,
that
the
third
second one.
one.
Yeah. Put it in the money spot.
In the bank account.
In the bank account.
On the left side.
Yeah, that's a good spot.
Right.
Stay tuned.
What?
Nice, dude. Good one?
We'll see.
What do you think, cat? Good one or no? Net master. Easy one?
Ah, the same one, the red one. Not big one.
Better than no fish.
Yeah, of course.
What's this one called?
Rode.
Rode.
Because the red color in Lithuania is Raudona, so it's Rode.
Rode. Rode. Another one for the Arnie master.
Yep. Master Sifu.
Too easy for you, bro.
You're gonna put it? I'm gonna put it. Oh, fuck. Stronger than me. She should stay a little bit longer in the water, that she could be tired. She's not tired.
No?
No, see? She's moving.
Moving along.
Yeah. Okay, let's put it in the cage.
Yet another one for Arnas. You're killing, bro. Making a killing.
Nice system. Anabas, you know?
Anabas?
Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know, there's some fish. There's a fish names translator.
I've never heard of Anabas.
Barracuda.
Barracuda, of course. Another one. Another one.
This one looks strong.
That looks like a good one. Nice, dude.
Let's play something with it. by itself to me.
It's just swimming at you? Where is he?
Now it's starting.
He's fighting a little bit?
Yeah.
Should I land him or do you want to land him, Cat? Yeah, he's fighting a little bit, huh? Yeah, look at that fight, man. Alright, where's he at? There he is.
And it is the same one. It's a slimy one. A little.
It's a slimy one. Tench.
You can put it.
Okay. Tench. Boilie bazooka loaded.
Yep. Gonna feed some carps.
Let's hope that works, man.
Load it up. That's how
Alright.
it works.
Waiting for it. Waiting for it to work.
Few bullets in. But I get some snowballs for carps. Oh, it drops. Right into the blaze.
Alright, that's where we gotta cast it, huh? That's the spot.
One more to your side.
Okay. Appreciate that.
Oh no.
That's alright.
Let's try some small.
Hook up, hook up. Nice. No. Oh, no, he's on. He's just small. I'm on, Arnas. I got a fish on. Yeah, you want to net him for me? Ooh, he's getting better. For a minute, I didn't even think he was on my line. Nice one. Nice fish, huh? Yeah, boy.
And the hook completely came out of the teeth.
Really?
Yeah, look, it's here.
Oh, it went all the way through his lip.
Oh,
That's okay.
okay.
Thanks to Tomas for making the adjustment on the line. That's a nice fish, bro.
Yeah. Here's the biggest one to me. Normal photo or portrait?
Whatever you want, bro.
1, 2, 3. Nice.
Good one?
Perfect.
Cool, thank you, bro. Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Good fish. Good fish. Yeah. I was just dragging the spinner a little bit. Like super slow. Well, I finally caught a pike. Bro, I was just barely, I stopped reeling and I was just barely dragging the spinner.
Congratulations.
Thanks. Finally.
Nice one.
Little guy, but
Yeah, anyway. Let's get.
yeah, I'm coming. It's like a lingcod back home with those teeth. pike. Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Bro, that's crazy with that thing right there. It's a worm in his eye.
Does he get this one? Maybe.
Alright.
Maybe here. We'll attack another.
Nah, he's smaller than the other fish actually. Here he goes. Pike, finally. Hey, that's not how you reel. That's not how you reel. The harvest. Yeah.
Yours the biggest one.
Couple big carp, yeah.
Right? Fishes.
Look at these guys.
This one is the big one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
No, jisai pagavo šitą.
Oh.
Ir lydeką pagavo.
Hey, cat! There. The lineup for the day.
Yep. This one can't stop moving.
Good work today.
Good job, man.